Why, kids? Do you love living on this magical planet? I love this world and all of the beautiful colors and textures around us, especially green forests, soft grass, fragrant flowers, blue oceans and vast skies. But my favorite is the rainbow. All those colors are amazing. Have you ever dreamt about being a bird so you can fly away and discover new places? Then come with me. Let's take a trip with my friend Shimmer, the friendly dragon. In a faraway place, there lived a friendly dragon called Shimmer. She loved helping her friends and was very kind. But there was also another dragon who was very often very mean to her and the other animals. He had big horns and his name was Spiky. One day, Shimmer was very sad. Her friend came to visit and asked,
Why are you so sad, Shimmer?
All the big dragons breathe magic fire and I still can't do that.
Magic fire! I've heard that it's got all these beautiful colors and can even have magic powers. I think I know where you might be able to get some. If you fly around the world, maybe you can find it.
Okay, that's a great idea. Maybe I should fly around the world to look for it.
Okay, see you later. I'll be here when you get back.
Bye!
So off she went and decided to bring home the magic fire to study it. She decided to visit one continent at a time. And off Shimmer flew to check out the first continent, Antarctica. In the meantime, the naughty dragon Spiky, who had overheard the conversation, decided to follow Shimmer and take the magic fire for himself.
Oh, no.
A penguin waddles towards Shimmer and asks,
Wait, what are you doing here? I can see that you're not from here because clearly ice isn't your best friend.
This isn't funny.
complains Shimmer, shaking with cold.
Oh, how did you get here?
Flying, but that you wouldn't understand because you have very small wings and you can't really fly.
The penguin got very sad and started crying.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm just very cold and scared. I shouldn't have said anything mean to you. Please forgive me.
Oh no, I've got these small wings and I can't fly. Okay. Since you're being so nice, I'll forgive you.
Please, can you tell me where I can find magic fire around here?
Magic fire? I've never seen magic fire here before. Oh, it's Antarctica and it's very cold and icy. It's not exactly the place you'd find fire. But I know, that albatross that comes across nearby comes from a warm place called Australia. I'm sure you'll find a fire over there.
Oh, thank you, penguin. And look after yourself. Bye.
Alright, goodbye, friendly dragon.
And off Shimmer flew to another continent called Australia. Spiky was hiding behind a rock and shaking with cold, but quickly tried to catch up to Shimmer.
I need to get better at these landings.
Says Shimmer to herself and suddenly gets a kick in her tail.
Owie!
She turns around. It was a kangaroo.
Hey, what's your landing? You almost landed in my baby.
Says the kangaroo bitterly.
I'm so sorry about that. This is my first big flight. I'm really not good at landing. But where's your baby?
My baby's here in my tummy. It stays here for about 9 months.
Kangaroos are called marsupials, and their babies are kept warm in a pouch on their stomach before they are ready to go into the world by themselves.
That is so cute. I have never seen this before. Sorry to have almost landed on you and your baby. I came here to look for magic fire.
Well, I've never heard of this magic fire thing. Maybe should from, Africa. It's another continent over the Indian Ocean. Apparently the sunsets there make the sky look like it's in fire or something magical like that.
Says the mummy kangaroo, and with her last words, Shimmer is already up in the air screaming goodbye.
Hiya, boy, mate!
Bye, kangaroo.
And as a shadow in the distance, Spiky is not too far behind.
Owie!
Weeps Shimmer.
Where am I?
Complains Shimmer. And suddenly, she sees a movement.
So you stabbing me from my sleep?
Shouts a snake at her with a hissing voice.
I'm very sorry to have woken you up from your midday sleep. But where did I land?
Asked Shimmer.
You're in Africa. In fact, it's the Sahara Desert.
In the Sahara Desert? Isn't this place very dangerous?
Asked Shimmer, very scared.
Yes, well, I'm a poisonous snake. They call me the Cobra.
Please don't hurt me. I just need to find the magic fire for my friend back home. Please, please, please.
The snake stepped back from its attacking pose.
So, okay. I've never heard of this magic fire. Sounds like it comes from a place of beautiful birds and deep forests. You might want to try South America. And leave me alone. I want to
Hissed the snake as he looked for a sunny rock to lie on. As quickly as Shimmer got to Africa, she flew away from the Sahara Desert, across the Atlantic Ocean, and off she landed in the middle of a big forest. Suddenly, she saw a pair of big yellow eyes in front of her, and she screamed.
Be quiet! Be quiet! I'm on the hunt! Be quiet! I won't hurt you! I am on the hunt for your rabbit! I am a jaguar! Who are you?
Asked the jaguar.
I am a dragon, but a nice one. I'm looking for a magic fire. Am I in South America now?
Yes, you are! You are in the Amazon! This is the biggest rainforest in the world!
Do you have lots of colorful birds here?
Yes, we do. Lots and lots of different birds. But I think you might be looking for the parrots, huh? They are very colorful.
Yes, the parrots. Do these parrots have a magic fire?
I've never heard of such a thing. It's magic fire.
You sure you're in the right place, huh? I think you should rather go to North America, huh?
Apparently, Indians live there, and they smoke a magic pipe and dance around a fire. Maybe they know where to get this, this magic fire you took from, huh?
Oh, thank you so much for the advice, Mr. Jaguar. Bye.
And off she flies north to another continent to look for Indians. She's so excited that she didn't even notice that Spiky was listening to the whole conversation with the jaguar from a tree nearby.
Whee! Oh no! I can't swim. Please, please, someone, please help! Help!
Shouts Shimmer, almost drowning. Suddenly, something pulls her out by one of her wings.
You must be very careful.
Yes, I know. I must practice my landing lots more so I can be good at it one day.
Why'd you come this way without practicing your landing? Huh?
I'm looking for Indians and their village. Do you know where I can find them? I need to get some magic fire from them.
Magic fire. The Indians here have fire, but there's nothing magic about it. Are you sure they have such a thing?
I'm not sure at all. I just know that magic fire makes beautiful colors and it's so special.
Says Shimmer in despair.
Oh, okay, little dragon. My polar bear friends talked to me about the magic lights up in the north, and they have the most incredible colors. You can see them from Europe. If you are all the way in the north, maybe you can find a magic fire there.
Suggests the bear.
Yay! Thank you, Bear. Bye.
Goodbye, little dragon.
And off flies Shimmer again. She is getting very tired. She can feel something behind her. She turns around and suddenly she sees Spiky not too far. She flies faster and faster, but Spiky is catching up quickly. She crashes and rolls in the snow. Spiky lands right next to her and keeps on approaching with a threatening voice.
So you think you've finally found the magic fire, hey?
Shimmer shakes with fear, and suddenly, from the distance, beautiful colors cover the evening sky. Spiky turns towards Shimmer as he walks closer to her. Shimmer is very scared and backs away, but she doesn't watch her footing. She slips on the snow and falls deeper and deeper into the valley, bumping her head against the trees as she falls. She is very sore, and when she eventually opens her eyes, she realizes that Spiky had left her there, and he flew towards the place where all the colors lit up the night sky. Shimmer gets very sad and starts crying. Suddenly she hears a voice from behind the trees.
Why are you so sad, little dragon?
It's a moose, and he looks like a very friendly one too. Shimmer is relieved and tells the moose her whole story about trying to find the magic fire, traveling all around the world, and how she was so close, but the mean, ugly Spiky got there before her.
There's no magic fire. That's a great story, little dragon. But there's no magic fire where those beautiful lights are.
Said the moose in a wise voice.
That's just lights. In fact, it's called the Northern Light. They may be magically beautiful, but there's no fire close by.
I will never find magic fire.
Shimmer can't stop sobbing.
There. Yes, you can. It's not too far from here. In Asia, people use fireworks, and they make the most beautiful magic fire. Just find the Great Wall of China, and you'll see it. In fact, I think you're just in time for the Chinese New Year celebration.
And the friendly moose disappeared amongst the trees. Shimmer didn't hesitate for a second and flew as quickly as she could to Asia. There, she found the Great Wall of China. People used fireworks to make the most beautiful and colorful lighting shapes in the sky. It was as if the sky was on fire, and it was magical. Shimmer got some of the fireworks for herself and her friend. Then she flew back home, where she told everyone about her adventures. Spiky also came back a few days later, but empty-handed. He was very ashamed of himself for leaving Shimmer in the woods and for not helping her when she slipped. He brought her some flowers and he apologized. Shimmer forgave Spiky and invited him to watch the magical fireworks show she prepared for everyone. Don't you think that fireworks are just amazing? We hope you liked our story about all the faraway places. Go to our website, whitetoys.com, for more fun games.